Welcome to Manna Home Design, where real apartments meet thoughtful design. Here, we tour homes that feel lived in, intentional, and beautifully human. This brilliant Toronto one-bedroom apartment proves you don't need more space. You just need smarter design, warmer materials, and a few intentional choices to make a home feel calm, cozy, and modern. Today, we're stepping inside a thoughtfully designed Toronto apartment filled with earthy wood tones, stone textures, smart lighting, and renter-friendly upgrades. From a functional entryway to a spa-inspired bathroom, every detail in this home was carefully chosen to support real everyday living, without sacrificing warmth or personality. Let's take the tour. Before we get started, if you love cozy apartments, smart design ideas, and real home tours, make sure to subscribe for more. Entryway. Welcome inside this Toronto one-bedroom apartment, where the entryway sets the tone for the entire home. The design immediately feels earthy, cozy, and intentional, with warm walnut and acacia wood tones paired with sleek black hardware. This small apartment entryway is all about calm functionality, clean lines, natural textures, and a welcoming atmosphere that feels grounded the moment you walk in. Every detail here is designed for smart, real-life living. A minimalist mirror reflects light and keeps the space feeling open, while slim wood shoe storage maximizes organization without crowding the entry. Hidden coat hooks tucked behind the door maintain a clutter-free look, proving that thoughtful storage is essential in a modern one-bedroom apartment. Motion sensor lighting softly turns on as you arrive home, adding both convenience and warmth. It's a small detail, but one that elevates everyday living. This entryway isn't just transitional, it's a deliberate introduction to a cozy, nature-inspired Toronto apartment designed for comfort, simplicity, and flow. Kitchen plus dining and work area. This is the kitchen and dining work area, the functional heart of this Toronto one-bedroom apartment. While compact, the space has been elevated through renter-friendly upgrades like black cabinet hardware and matching black light fixtures, creating a cleaner, more cohesive look against the granite countertops. Instead of traditional bar stools, this apartment features custom-fit IKEA cabinetry tucked neatly under the counter, maximizing storage in a small kitchen. The dining area doubles as a standing workspace, complete with intentional cable management that keeps every wire hidden and every surface visually calm. Natural stone elements ground the space, from the granite bench to subtle stone accessories that echo the kitchen finishes. A thrifted vintage pendant light from the 1970s adds warmth and character, blending old and new. This space proves that a small apartment kitchen can be practical, stylish, and deeply personal. Living room. The living room is where comfort meets technology. Designed for relaxing, gaming, and movie nights, this cozy apartment living room centers around a deep, inviting sofa and a lift-top coffee table that easily transforms into a dining surface. A wall-mounted TV anchors the space, with every cable fully hidden for a clean, minimalist look. The gaming setup includes a PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, and Steam Deck, all seamlessly integrated. A full Sonos surround sound system creates an immersive, cinematic experience without visually overpowering the room. Layered textures, crochet blankets, soft pillows, and curated artwork add warmth and personality. Smart Philips Hue lighting shifts the mood from bright daytime lighting to sunset-inspired evening tones and even playful party lighting. It's a living room designed to feel lived in, intentional, and emotionally inviting. Bedroom. The bedroom continues the home's earthy design language, creating a calm, hotel-inspired retreat. Dark forest green bedding pairs beautifully with natural wood accents, instantly setting a grounded, restful mood in this Toronto one-bedroom apartment. A custom wood slat accent wall doubles as a headboard and houses hidden LED lighting, casting a soft ambient glow perfect for winding down. Instead of a traditional television, a canvas-style art TV adds visual interest while keeping the space feeling serene. Floor-to-ceiling blackout curtains visually elongate the room while improving sleep quality. Round rugs, sculptural lighting, and plug-in pendant lights replace harsh overhead fixtures. Every choice here prioritizes comfort, texture, and atmosphere, proof that small bedroom design can feel both luxurious and personal. Bathroom. The bathroom is the final stop on this apartment tour, redesigned to feel like a modern spa. A full-height tiled feature wall immediately elevates the space, creating visual depth while tying into the home's earthy, neutral palette. A quartz vanity sits atop IKEA cabinetry, proving that budget-conscious choices can still look refined. Matte black hardware, a sculptural faucet, and a round backlit mirror with diffuse lighting add contrast and sophistication without overwhelming the space. The glass shower enclosure with black framing keeps the bathroom open and bright, while a rainfall shower attachment adds everyday luxury. Motion sensor lighting, a smart bidet toilet, and thoughtful storage details complete the experience, ending the tour on a calm, intentional, and highly functional note. Thanks for touring this brilliant Toronto one-bedroom apartment with us. If you enjoyed the design or found inspiration, give this video a like. Subscribe for more thoughtful home tours. And we'll see you in the next one.